Hi, my name is Ashley Johnson. I've met most of you before. So what I decided to take this course is because currently I work in the addictions field, and right now we are working on a program to not only work with addicts, but also to work with their families as well, in order to help the family do a holistic treatment. What I really hope to learn in this class is to be able to understand the policies and procedures regarding childhood, as well as what laws and regulations there are when it comes to child abuse and child neglect. One thing that I would like my classmates to know about child abuse, in my view, is that obviously I think it's a very sad and terrible thing that occurs to children, and I think that, obviously children become violated because of that. But I also believe that there's some sort of mental health disorder that occurs, that creates a perpetrator and the environment that happens, and unfortunately I think that there is a vicious cycle that occurs. So whether or not I condone it, which I do not, because I feel that no person should ever be violated, especially a child, I also feel that they are still people and that they deserve the care and mental health treatment just like anyone who's an addict, who is a child, who is sick, who has cancer and needs hospice therapy. So I think that even though we have a negative stigma towards it, I think that we need to all understand and empathize that there is something that is inherently wrong with some part of their brain, that there is some sort of mental health disorder or some serious trauma that usually has occurred that has resulted in that. So that's all I have, and I look forward to meeting all of you. Thanks.